Welcome back my YouTube channel Supercars TV 99. The 2026 Corvette Stingray is a bold evolution of America's favorite sports car, blending aggressive design, modern engineering, and premium features to redefine what it means to drive a performance machine. With its sleek and sculpted body, the Stingray continues the Corvette legacy while embracing cutting-edge technology and design enhancements that push it into a new era. At first glance, it's impossible not to be drawn to its low, wide stance and aerodynamic lines that give it a fierce and athletic look. The front bumper has been subtly redesigned to provide improved airflow and cooling efficiency, with sharp contours and functional air intakes that hint at the power beneath the hood. Moving to the sides, the 2026 Stingray retains its iconic mid-engine layout, with side scoops that feed cool air directly to the powertrain. The proportions remain classic Corvette long and low with wide rear haunches that communicate muscle and performance. New wheel designs and paint options offer a more customizable experience for owners, and the integration of lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminium help keep the car nimble and responsive. The flush door handles, aerodynamic side mirrors, and razor-sharp character lines make this car not only a track beast but also a work of rolling art. Inside, the Stingray is a driver's paradise. The cockpit is heavily driver-focused, with a wraparound dashboard that creates a true sports car feeling. Premium materials like suede, leather, and carbon fiber trim elevate the cabin to luxury levels, while new ambient lighting and digital interfaces give it a futuristic edge. The 2026 model introduces the next-gen infotainment system with a crisper display, faster processing, and seamless smartphone integration. Drivers can also enjoy a fully digital gauge cluster with customizable layouts and performance readouts. The seats are aggressively bolstered for track use but remain comfortable enough for daily driving, with heating, ventilation, and memory features now standard on most trims. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Supercar TV 99. Around back, the changes are subtle but effective. The taillights retain their distinctive, angular look but have been slightly reshaped for a sleeker, more modern appearance. A new rear diffuser improves downforce and adds to the Stingray's aggressive posture, while quad exhaust tips continue to deliver the signature Corvette growl. Engineers have refined the aerodynamics to provide better high-speed stability without compromising the bold visual presence that sets this car apart. As for performance, the 2026 Stingray continues to impress with its 6.2-liter LT2 V8 engine, now producing slightly more horsepower thanks to EQ tuning and improved cooling. The updated 8-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts and pairs perfectly with the engine's raw power. Optional magnetic ride control and performance packages allow enthusiasts to tailor the Stingray to their driving style, whether it's weekend canyon carving or track day domination. Pricing for the 2026 Corvette Stingray starts around $70,000. Making it one of the most attainable mid-engine sports cars on the market with this level of performance. Set to launch in early 2026, the new Stingray promises to continue the Corvette tradition of offering supercar thrills at a fraction of the price, all while delivering innovation, luxury, and unmistakable style.